I want you to go ghost. Everyone wants attention, likes, validation, applause. But the most dangerous people on earth? They move in silence. No announcements, no explanations, no noise. They disappear. And when they return, they don't explain themselves. They let the results speak. Today I'm going to show you why going ghost might be the most powerful decision you ever make. Part 1, stay in the dark. And I'll start by introducing a quote. People cannot destroy what they cannot see. Silence is misunderstood. People think silence means weakness. They think if you're quiet, you're losing. But silence is protection. The moment you tell people your plans, you expose them to opinions, doubt, envy, and sabotage. Not everyone who smiles at you wants to see you win. Some people don't want you to fail. They just don't want you to succeed more than them. That's why you stay in the dark. You stop posting every move. You stop explaining yourself. You stop seeking approval. Because when people know your next step, they subconsciously try to control the outcome. Silence removes pressure. Silence removes comparison. Silence removes expectations. In the dark, you can fail quietly. You can experiment. You can rebuild without being judged. The strongest version of you is built where no one is watching. Stay invisible long enough and people will forget to doubt you. Part 2. Discipline is self-respect. We must all suffer one of two pains, the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. Going ghost only works if you earn it. This is where most people fail. They disappear, but they don't change. They scroll, they procrastinate, they waste time just privately. That's not going ghost, that's hiding. Real isolation is structured. You wake up early, especially when you don't want to. You train when motivation is gone. You work when no one is clapping. Because discipline isn't punishment. Discipline is saying, I respect myself too much to live like this. Every disciplined action is a vote for your future identity. You don't wait to feel ready. You don't wait to feel confident. Confidence is built after the work, not before. While others are entertained, you're becoming dangerous. While others seek comfort, you're sharpening your edge. This is where you separate yourself. No one sees it, no one praises it, but every day you're stacking proof, and self-respect grows silently, which brings us to the final part. Part 3, disappear and come back better. Let them underestimate you, it will be their last mistake. Here's the rule. If you disappear, you must return different. Not louder, not arrogant, better. New habits, new mindset, new standards. You don't announce your comeback. You don't explain your growth. You let people feel the difference. Your energy changes. Your confidence is quieter. Your presence commands respect without asking for it. People will say, you changed. And they're right. You don't argue. You don't justify. You don't explain. Because growth doesn't need permission. The best revenge isn't proving people wrong. It's outgrowing the version of you that ever cared. When you come back better, you don't chase attention. Attention finds you. My final message to you is to stay silent and go ghost.